Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best table tennis bat on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. FEXTRA 7 Table Tennis Bat. The FEXTRA 7 by Sanway Nordic BO-KEJI features a 7-ply wood blade with the Stiga Clipper CL, a clipper blade with a flat handle, built to play an all-round style of play. The Stiga Clipper blade is built for powerful strokes and is excellent for serving, close to the table strokes, and quick attacks. The blade is built with a stiff feel, which allows for a very powerful and heavy-hitting style. The 7-ply wood blades of the FEXTRA 7 table tennis racket make it a classic choice for performance-oriented players. Keeping a medium fast speed rating, the blade is designed for players who seek a balanced level of power and control when making table tennis shots. Its Stiga Clipper CL construction is what adds considerable power to the blade. With a high-speed clipper rubbers glued on both sides, you can feel the speed and spin this blade provides in your shots. This racket is perfect for players with an offensive stroke who like to dominate play. Number 4. BO-KEJI-WS Table Tennis Bat. Get into the game with the BO-KEJI-WS 5-ply table tennis bat. This ping-pong bat is designed for easy play and comes with a comfortable handle that fits well into your hand. This bat is durable and easy to use with any table tennis paddle. BO-KEJI-WS features a durable design and is lightweight, which minimizes player fatigue. It also features a shakehand or penhold grip, making it ideal for use by amateurs or seasoned pros. This ping-pong racket will help you perfect your jump serve or drive so you can be in the game for as long as you want. This table tennis racket has a high-quality carbon blade, and with 3 table tennis rubbers inside, it can provide a well-balanced level of speed and spin. It feels really well made, just a perfect weight and pretty easy to control. I've been playing with table tennis paddles, bats, rackets since I was a child, and I'd say this is the best quality paddle I've ever bought. Number 3. CLOTIMAN Table Tennis Bat. CLOTIMAN Carbon Bat is a high-level carbon material table tennis racket with rubber ping-pong paddle, short handle, tennis table rack, long handle, offensive and defensive, which are both durable and flexible, comfortable, lightweight and easy to play with. This table tennis racket is made of the high-quality carbon material, which is very durable and flexible. This racket is ideal for beginners and intermediate players. The racket is very comfortable, lightweight and easy to play with. There is a plastic frame inside the racket, which will significantly reduce the vibration, and it is also very convenient to carry. It is a great tool for your table tennis game. The paddle also features a rubber blade that gives you a high level of control, helping you to produce shots that your opponent will struggle to return. Number 2. XL6 Sheen Table Tennis Bat. This is a 6 Sheen brand new S6 table tennis bat. This table tennis racket is a high-quality 6 Sheen carbon blade bat, manufactured in China and designed for professional level players. It features high-quality top carbon blade and rubber. The handle is made from high-quality plastic material. Made specifically for high-end table tennis players. This high-quality table tennis racket is designed to provide you with a premium quality, best playing experience. It is a professional-grade paddle and is not for beginners. If you are planning to take up table tennis or are an advanced player, this is the table tennis racket you need to purchase. It is so easy to handle and offers you fantastic control on the game. With the amazing features, it will certainly leave you mesmerized. Number 1. Stiga Table Tennis Bat. The new Stiga Carbon 6 Stars table tennis racket is the ideal racket for the offensive player. The blade is fast, light and very flexible. The Carbon 6 Stars carbon blade is one of the strongest available. The weight is max at 86 grams, and the stiffness rating is max. The pimples are inverted. The 6 Stars carbon table tennis racket is lightweight, offering ease of swing and maneuverability. This 6 Stars carbon table tennis racket is designed for the offensive player that likes to play fast and aggressively. Stiga Carbon technology, which has been certified by the world's leading table tennis association ITTF, was applied to the development of 6-star rackets. The string tension is the same as the 5-star. Upon the stringing of this racket, the ball speed was increased by 6%. From the start, this racket has been a strong weapon in international championships. 6-star rackets have been selling quickly since their introduction, and now the 6-star is more popular than ever. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.